Me and Eric are swapping bikes. Got the Moto Guzzi 850, my GSX S1000 out here by Hawk's Nest. Got the bike. Look at this engine, man. So wide. Never rode a Moto Guzzi before. He said it's like around 480 pounds. He said it's torquey, but not fast. Woo! Damn! My bike sounds good. We had a little issue getting this bike on. A little iffy. Controls are a little forward. Nope, no quick shifter. Man, this thing is a couch, man. The seat is so comfy, so plush. Woo! Damn, I'm chilling on this thing. He has bar risers, so my arms are more upright than they would be stock. Moto Guzzi, man. I think this I was gonna say this is my first Italian, but I rode a Ducati before. Man, I guess this is like a cafe racer. Not too sure what exact model this is. Mirrors are huge. I can see everything. Look at that view, guys. Damn. I want to know what Eric thinks about the Gixxis. See how many gears. 5th gear. That's 6 gears. The gear indicator is kind of laggy. Like I just switched and it takes a second to change. A little flashing light to telling me to switch gears. Yeah, the gear indicator lags by like a second or 2 seconds. Man, this thing vibrates a lot. I am chilling on this. Definitely not the flickiest bike, but for him, he just wants to ride slow and just chill now. So this is perfect. The seat is really soft. Woo! Man, I haven't been up here in a while. $60 miles per hour in 6th gear. It kind of feels like it's lagging, like it's shaking a lot, so makes it feel like you got a downshift. But if I go a little faster, that shift light's gonna come on. definitely nice to cruise on, man. Just not as smooth as the Gixxer, of course. Let's dip it into this corner. Downshift. Hang off the seat a little bit. I don't want to scrape the pegs. Woo! Side to side. I don't really see myself buying a bike like this. I love the GSXS 1000. It's just so smooth. Only thing is, it just has a lot of power that makes you want to go super fast, so it's hard to just chill on it. I just want to know what he thinks. A lot of vibration in the handlebars, but I think that's just this gigantic engine. Here we are, Hawk's Nest. I don't know how these tires are in the corners. Take it easy. Oh, we're stopping. How is it?
That's a Mazda. But I get what you mean with the speed.
Yeah, smooth, right?
So smooth and stable, like the 70s.
Yeah, that seat is comfortable.
Yeah,
I need like a backrest to...
Yeah, I know. Right all day.
Ooh. Check that out. Alright. Damn, I'm sweating. Woo. Good to be back on my bike. It's just so smooth. Honestly, this is the perfect bike for me. Like, it's comfortable, but a little sporty, smooth, has a quick shifter, the brakes are pretty good. Just doesn't have cruise control or the TFT screen, but just the bare bones of it is just a good bike. Now my bike feels sporty. My bars are a lot lower than his. I love this bike so much. So I never really closed that video. The ride back wasn't too exciting. We were just chilling. Thank you guys for watching. I know that was a short video. Not really a review, just a first ride impressions of that Moto Guzzi 850. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, all those things. Peace out, guys.